Hey guys, today I'm going to install this lightweight crank pulley. This is made by Perrin and it's supposed to be 4 pounds lighter than the stock pulley. So I'm going to put it on and try to see what the difference is, and I'll let you guys know. So before I install the Perrin pulley, I want to see if there's a difference between my factory pulley and the lightweight Perrin pulley in the 0 to 60 time. So I'm going to find a spot and I will time it, and then I'll post the results and see the difference. Ready, set, go. $60. Alrighty. Go. $60. Not too shabby. I need a new exhaust. That boy leaks. The first step is removing your alternator cover. Once that's off, the AC belt's next, but mine is broken. My condenser broke, so I don't actually have a belt on that. Then comes your alternator belt. Don't forget the good old WD-40. I've skipped this part before and actually snapped this bolt up here. That's why it looks so different, because it's a replacement. Once that's off, it's a good time to inspect it. Make sure it's not rotting on you. So it looks okay. It will need to be replaced in the near future, so now would be a good time to replace it. So the crank pulley is down here. It's got a big 22 mil bolt on it. So spray that sucker up with some WD-40. He is, especially on this old car, he is rusty. Let it sit for a while, and the instructions tell us to put our car into 5th or 6th gear. My car only has 5 gears, so I'm gonna put it in 5th gear. That way when we go to loosen it, we won't turn the engine and move the car. Also put your e-brake on. All right, so this is supposed to be about 100 foot-pounds. Guess what? That was 100 foot-pounds. So let's adjust this. We're at 140. There's 140. This will be 200 foot-pound. There's 200. This is as high as this torque wrench goes. It's 250. And the car just goes backwards. After a ton of effort, finally got it loosened. I'm not gonna lie, that was hard. It's been like almost 2 hours since I did those pulls, and it's still hot as heck. This bolt's coming off pretty easily. Woo! That is hot. Okay, I got it. got it out, but my hand is kind of stuck. So, all right, awesome. Hopefully this pulley comes off nice and easy. Of course not. Maybe we're missing some WD-40. Stuff is amazing. Let's see. So tight, I don't even have a grip. Really don't want to take the radiator off. It's like welded on by rust. Probably just needs a little bit of love. Some love taps. The rust falls off. Wow. Still didn't do the trick. Got a little bit of wiggle. All right. Come on, bud. Woo! It's kind of crazy how heavy this boy is. Like, almost can do a little workout with this. This thing is like, it says 4 pounds heavier, but there's no, this feels like 10 pounds heavier. This guy has some solid weight. This thing is heavy. This feels like so light. Almost like it's too light. Like, it's not gonna be durable enough, but I mean, Perrin is reliable and I trust them, and lots of people do it, so it's definitely safe. It's crazy how heavy this factory one is. I wish you guys could see it because it's blowing my mind right now. Honestly, I can't wait to put this on and test it out. Add a little bit of oil, so it slides on a little bit easier. Engine oil, in case you're wondering. Alrighty, put the bolts on, we're good to go. Now the instructions tell me to tighten this bolt up to 38, I believe it was, 33 foot-pounds. Then you note where your wrench is at and tighten to 132, making sure that the whole wrench moves 65 degrees. So we'll give it a shot. I'm not really going to measure the angle, but I'll give it a guesstimate. 5 is less than 90, so 90 is the right angle, and we'll go with that. Also says to make sure you put some oil on your bolts as well. Oil up the boat, oil up the bolts, and go ahead and put it back on. Double check that you're tightening versus loosening. Okay, 33. Oh, this time we're rolling forward. Move those locks. There it goes. Golden. Now we just gotta reinstall everything. And done. Then you sticker bomb it. It adds a little bit of character. A little 10 RPMs. Shoots up a little bit quicker. Kind of nice. That's a little bit torquier, especially in those low end, the low RPMs. Take it down the street with a lot of stop signs, so we can really test out low RPMs, how it really feels versus just cruising. Definitely feels like there's less turbo lag. Ooh. Ooh. Makes her feel light. Here, we'll pull from 2,000 RPMs. There's the turbo. Feels a lot nicer. Yes, it does. I'm happy. Ooh. And we found a dirt road. Sorry, mama. Just a little bit sideways. Got a precious cargo in the back, so not too much sideways. Not until she's a little bit bigger and she tells me to go faster. Which I already know she will, because I told her we're gonna go fast today, and she started cracking up. So I already know she's gonna love it, so good luck, Mom. Pull from dead stop. As soon as it clears up here. There's something about the Subi rumble. Connects with my soul. Woo, she feels good. I don't know why this wasn't my first mod, honestly. For 100 bucks, all of this. Pretty legit. Probably one of the best mods, I think so. As far as what cash buys. Go. After driving my car around, I love it. It's so responsive, it feels great, and that turbo lag is almost all gone. I mean, it's still there, but it's so much better. But my 0 to 60 times are kind of slacking. It's definitely user error. I bogged it quite a few times on that pulls after the install, but it's in there. It's gonna be quicker. I'm gonna have to take a couple more 0 to 60 times, but I will update you those in a different video. All right, thanks for sticking through to the end. The last thing that is left is for you to smash that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Catch you later.